Octopuses are fascinating creatures. With 3 hearts, blue blood, and the ability to change color and texture, 2 hearts pump blood to the gills, while the 3rd pumps it to the rest of the body. Their blue blood, which contains a copper-based molecule called hemocyanin, is more efficient at transporting oxygen in cold, low-oxygen environments. Octopuses can also camouflage themselves in an instant, blending with their surroundings, thanks to specialized skin cells called chromatophores. These intelligent animals are capable of solving puzzles, escaping enclosures, and even using tools, making them one of the most remarkable creatures in the ocean.